Delta Bravo 6 Zulu uniform, over.
Over. I am very happy I catch you again and 20. I caught you on 70 and 20 meter, and now this 2 times now on 20. I am very happy. Thank you coming for my call. Delta Bravo 6 Zanzibar uniform, America 61 Bravo Kilo. Thank you for my report. Today you're coming 5 and 9 plus 20. 5 and 9 plus 20. I record video this course, so I send you a mail tomorrow for this course, so video for this course. So wait for signal 5 and 9 plus 20. Delta Bravo number 6 Zanzibar uniform, America 61 Bravo Kilo. Roger.
America 61 Bravo Kilo, Delta Bravo 6 Zulu uniform. Khalid, I have a 3-element step IR in your direction and 600 watts on the power. That's all. Khalid, I wish you all the best. 73, good luck. Many stations calling you. Bye-bye.
Roger, you can wait for signal. Your antenna STPR working very good. Also, I work now for STPR 3-element and my radio Yazo Fox Tango 2000. I bought now 1 kilowatt power for my amplifier Alpha 76 America. Anyway, thank you for being for Koso, and please, you copy me anytime, call me for hello. Delta Bravo 6 Zanzibar uniform, Alpha 61 Bravo Kilo 73. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Khalid.
Mike Zanzibar Hindi, I think. Mike Zanzibar Hindi, Roger.